Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills and ancient forests, there lived a group of strong, kind-hearted people who believed in the power of friendship and teamwork. They weren't the strongest warriors or the mightiest rulers, but their strength was the kind that mattered most, the strength of heart. Among them was a young man named Theo. Theo wasn't particularly tall or built like a blacksmith, but he had a strength that everyone admired. It was his willingness to help, to put others first, and to never give up even when the going got tough. People often said his strength came from his smile, for no matter how hard things seemed, he always knew how to brighten the day of those around him. One chilly morning, the village faced a problem. A massive storm was brewing on the horizon, and the winds were howling louder than they ever had before. The village elders gathered at the town square, worried about what might happen to their homes, their crops, and their lives. The storm was predicted to be the worst anyone had seen in generations. "I'm afraid we won't be able to withstand this one," said Elder Rowena, her brow furrowed with concern. "The storm is too powerful." But Theo, always the optimist, stood up. "We've faced storms before, and we've always made it through because we faced them together. This one's no different." The villagers looked to him, unsure but hopeful. "But Theo," said Mira, an older woman with graying hair, "what if the storm is too much for us to handle? We've never had one like this." Theo gave her a gentle smile. "What we have here is something stronger than any storm: each other. We'll need to work together, and we'll find a way to protect our homes." And so, Theo called on everyone, from the smallest children to the oldest folks in the village, to join forces. Together, they gathered wood, blankets, and anything they could use to reinforce their homes. The young ones helped to gather food and make sure the animals were safe, while the adults worked to create barricades against the winds. Everyone pitched in, doing their part. As the storm approached, the sky grew dark and the winds roared like an angry beast. But inside the village, there was a quiet strength. Theo stood in the center of it all, making sure everyone knew where to go, how to help, and what to do. His calm spirit seemed to spread to everyone around him, and though the storm was fierce, they worked with such unity that it felt like they could face anything together. When the storm finally hit, the wind howled through the trees, and the rain poured down in torrents. But the village, protected by the strength of its people, stood firm. It wasn't easy, and the storm caused some damage, but the villagers were safe. As the clouds began to part and the first rays of sunlight broke through, the villagers emerged from their homes, tired but proud. Theo smiled as he looked around at the people who had worked so hard, his heart swelling with pride. "See? We made it through together. That's the real strength." The villagers cheered, grateful not just for the protection of their homes, but for the reminder that no storm, no matter how fierce, could break the bond they shared. And from that day on, whenever a challenge came their way, the villagers would always remember the storm that taught them their greatest strength wasn't in their muscles or their weapons, but in the kindness and unity of their hearts.